Okay. So what we are going to do is create content for pedalpoison.com. And what we want to create, excuse me, we want
Okay.
to create a piece of content that will target a very strategic keyword. And strategic, I mean that the position is low enough to rank. So it must be 30 or below or 20 or below. And then it also has to have enough volume to rank. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
So
Yes.
I think for this purpose, we need to start with easy keywords, but we also need to focus on low enough volume that it is significant. 210 is fine. I think anything over 100 is a good idea. But one of the things I noticed is that for this keyword, we are not ranking for, or we do not have it in the content list. If we go to the master keyword list file, you should have, and it should be updated now, but this tab at the bottom where it says content, this is everything that we currently have on the website. So all the content on the website, all the keywords that we're ranking for. And as you can see, we're only ranking for Kurt Cobain's guitar pedals. We are not
Yes.
ranking for Kurt Cobain pedal board. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so since the Kurt Cobain pedal board is not being ranked for, what we need to focus on is we need to focus on a piece of content that will target this keyword, but it will also supplement this piece of content, okay? So to give you a better
Okay.
example,